Measuring current. Measuring current requires some preparations before beginning. It must be determined if the current to be measured is AC or DC. These lights operate on DC. The selector is set to the 10 amp DC setting. Try number 2. The red test lead needs to be moved to one of the input jacks marked for amps. Amps is the unit of measurement for current and is simply indicated by the letter A. This meter has 2 input jacks for current. One is marked MA milliamps and UA microamps. These are very small units of current and too small for our use. We will be using the 10 amp input jack for this test. The black lead stays in the COM input jack. Turn off circuit power before connecting the test probes. Always measure current in series with the load and never across the power supply output. To explain what this means, this is a simple diagram of a circuit with a power supply and a load. The load represents the light fixtures you saw here on the table. The circuit will be opened and the meter connected across that open. This is the connector that I'm going to disengage to actually create the open. I'm going to use one of the alligator clips. I'm going to clip it to the connecting pins on the inside. And to the corresponding pin on the other side. This completes 1/2 of that circuit. With my other alligator clip, I'm going to connect to the other pin, like this. And also to the one of the probes of the meter. The other probe from the meter I'm going to connect into this socket here. That completes the circuit. The meter actually becomes part of the circuit now. Once the connections have been made, I turn on the power and check the reading. The lights altogether are pulling 1.13 amps. Now it's bumped up to 1.15. The purpose of checking the current draw is to make sure that the power supply can handle multiple items connected to one source. This power supply is rated at 5 amps. Therefore, it is more than capable of handling the current demand from the 3 light fixtures. Thank you for watching.